Hello YouTubers and welcome to Silly Sid 123. Now this one's a very special one because this is going to be one of my first videos where I'm actually going to show me taking apart the vacuum cleaner, cleaning it, putting new parts on it, putting it all back together again and then giving it a test trial. Now we're here with these two Hoover Junior 1354As, dirt searchers. I don't know if they're A's, and I'll let's have a look what they are. Well, this one's an A, this one's serial number 1354209644428. If you can work out the date for that one. And this one is also a 1354A, serial number 13543104472. Now, we're going to be working on this one. This one's going to be mine. And this one is going to be Hoover Lux's, which I'm going to donate to him. So what we're going to do is we're first going to clean this up. We're going to take bits off it. We're going to take everything off it, give it a clean. And as you can see, my trusty Henry is right here with me all the way to give me a little bit of help. I've got spare parts, I've got oil, I've got new bulbs. I've got everything there ready to get these up and back into shape. Now they both work and we're just going to make them better. So, now the first thing we have done is took the MK plug off because it's too old. And we're going to fit a new plug to it. So here we are. There's the plug. It's not all that difficult fitting a plug. We'll have to take the damn thing apart though. This one. Straight through there. Give it the old. And then straight. Through like that. Not touching anything else, as you can see. Should be okay. Oh, we can do that back in, can't we? Do with it. There we go. And just fit that there. Now put the main plug in. Bonjour. I'm going to give it a test. Right, so that's the new plug. The second thing we're going to do is as you saw, the bulb didn't work, so we need to change the bulb. So it's quite easy on a dirt searcher. Now I learnt this from Pneumatic Vacuum on YouTube. Now on a dirt searcher it's quite simple, getting the bulb out and putting a new one in. So we're going to do that now with my trusty Makita. As you can see, the bulb's gone, so we're going to twist that off. Which way is it? There we go. Now here I've got a, like I said, thanks to pneumatic vacuum, this is a B15 fitting candle. This is a 40 watt bulb. So a lot bigger than the one that was in it. That's what it should look like. Now he says he recommends taking this all out, but I'm not so sure. I reckon it will just go in. So we're going to give it a go. I'll give him its due. It's quite tight fit. There we go. That is in. Okay, so I think it fits in. Certainly does. Bulb's not even touching it. Nope, that's good. So we put all these bits in there. Lovely well. Yeah, it is in. Oh dear. Not winning today. There we go. It's very easy, this, to be fair. Place it. Put it back in now. When we plug it back in, it should power into life and the bulb should work. Fantastic. So now you know to refit a bulb that's died in your dirt searcher. It's a B15 fitted. Now this one's a 40 watt, so it's just brighter. It's an LED lamp, so it's much cooler running. So the next thing we need to do is take the bag off. One of these, is it? That feels really full. That feels manky. Oh, kidoki. Okay. Henry's going to be having a play then. Okay, so what the owner's done is left the bag on and it's very, very, very full. But he hasn't shut it properly. This is disgusting! Oh god, Henry's going to have to eat it all, I think. ever known someone to literally leave the bag in this state. That is disgusting. Absolutely. Look at this, look where it's done to my carpet. Oh, there we go, it's free. Oh, oh no. Yeah. That's pretty gross. Woo! That was nasty. Right, so we're going to undo this screw here because on the dirt searchers it's a screw. Ah, right. Where's bigger one? What have we got there? There we go. Yeah. Oh no. Right. Stick this on. Luckily, it's not in too bad condition. Could have been worse. If the bag is in that, if the bag was that full in this one, God out what Dorian's is going to look like. I shall see though. Well, you won't, but I will. Very nice bag this. Now then, getting this back over. It's easier said than done, but I reckon I can do it. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Nicely done. It's a lot cleaner now anyway. So it sits that way on a dirt searcher. Okay. I said this is going to thorough clean, so this is what this gets. That one as well. There. Something off, so that's bottom, that's there. Fairly good condition, that. Yeah, like that. That needs a bit of a clean. Right, so I've took the handle off after some difficulty, obviously, and we're going to take this apart now and have a look underneath and see what creatures we see. So we're going to, there's a load of YouTube videos of this where you just simply take off. Oh dear, it's not coming off. Come on. There you go. Okay. Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. Still going to get the... Suppressor there. Bloody things. Oh, that needs a bit of clean. Okay, oi, that's caked. So we're going to deal with that. Seriously, caked, that is horrendous. Oh, Christ almighty. Pretty poor, mate, pretty poor. This is absolutely solid hard dirt that has managed to manifest itself in here. So I've got to cut my hands absolutely thin getting rid of it all. Ugh, nasty. For the time being. Wish I could. Yeah, this is absolutely caked. Tremendously. There must be a way of getting that out. Come on. Let's come out. Get that out for the time being. Shift all this shite. I've never ever known this. This is terrible. The owner that had it before really didn't look after it well. This is absolutely horrifying. That is nasty. I've never known a vacuum cleaner this absolute messy ever. It really hasn't been looked after this. I need a toothbrush really. Get in there. We're slowly getting there now. Looking a lot cleaner. It really is absolutely caked. Poor thing. All I'm using here is a soft cloth and water. That's all it is to get rid of all this cemented crap. That is honestly the best I can do. It's a lot better than what it looked like, I'll tell you that. What a disgusting state this is in. I've never known that. I've just never known a vacuum cleaner to be in that state. And that bag was minging. much improved. Tell you what though, the motor casing and all that in here is very nice. Absolutely nothing wrong on the inside of it. God knows what he was hoovering, or vacuuming should I say. Absolutely no idea. But the poor thing, definitely in need of some TLC. I've never known, look at that, really shite. I've never known this. It's relatively clean in there. Right. I've got some bicycle oil here to plant some on. See what Dorian says, this is quite difficult. There we go. A lot better. Beautiful. Nice. So, do you know, there has been times I've actually been lucky enough to get things in mint condition, and I'm actually doing that right now. That is in not bad condition. It's alright that. Don't like a messy work area. Okay, that is to get a nice It's not bad condition, to be fair. It's not a lot of scuff marks on it or anything. You know, minimal damage on it. The usual. But to be fair, that is in nice condition. Now, anyway. Okay, so now what we're going to do, let's have a look at the belt. Tearing itself to shreds, I believe, so that can go in the bin. Oh, well. There we go. And a new one. Brand new one. Right, so we need to sort this assembly out. This can only go well. We will do it. Oh, it's rather difficult, this. That's one. I'm just going to try and get that there. There we go. Nice. Very nice. Get the new belt. Put it through. Right, there's a knack of doing this, isn't there? That way. That way. Yarp. That's that way, alright. Okay. Now, which way does it go? Nice. So that's the brush belt back on with a brand new belt. Put this back in now. Okie dokie. Look at the pokey. Sits in there. There we go. There's two back in here. Don't know which way they are. Wrong way. Not meant to go in there. I'm gathering yet. Didn't tell me. Alright, that's how it goes then. I'm still learning. And I say, thanks to all you YouTubers. I've learned how to take apart a vacuum cleaner. take apart the vacuum cleaner, put it back together again. Looking good. Okay, so plug her in. She should sound beautiful. Oh, very nice. That is fantastic. Yep. Okay, we can start reassembling. Got a nice lovely bag there, and we've got a paper bag to put in it, so we should do that in a minute. We're going to put all this back on. Where's that one? Oh, something for it. There you go. And that goes in there. And then this goes over it. Ready to receive. Oh, not too far down. Okay, I'm just standing this. There you go. Okay. Bum, ba, dum, ba, dum, ba, dum, ba, dum, ba. Now it's finding this thing is what it's supposed to happen now, which is different. There it is. There you go. Not tight enough. There we are, cowboy. Yeah, it's a little not tight, so we're going to straighten that. Going to straighten that we are. That's better, that is. I know it's got a beautiful, the pedal, the release pedal works absolutely beautifully, so that's good, good, good. Right, now we're going to put bag on. We are in there. Nicely done. And we just want to God, it's harder than said than done this. Right now. Okay, so the problem was it had a top fill pipe, not a bottom fill. That was the issue there. Now we've got a bottom fill pipe on it. We can now fit a paper bag to it, which is easier said than done for doing it. See if that's on. That's good then. Works nicely. In there. Okay, that's the bag fitted. Okay, so here it is. This is fully serviced, fully cleaned, looking a lot better than what it did. New bowl fitted, new bag fitted with the early issue, a new pipe fitted, new belt fitted, the brush bar cleaned up and oiled, and yeah, so we're going to do a test trial on it. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right, well, we're going to do exactly the same to Dorian's as what we've done to mine. You won't be watching it, but we are going to do a test trial on it once that's all cleaned up. So I'll see you in a bit. Hoover Lux is all nice and clean now. I've cleaned the inside of it and I've given it a nice clean. It's got a working bulb in it, so this now shines a light. I've oiled the brush bar bearings. So we're going to see what it can do. This one seems longer. If it is, then okay. Oh yeah, there's an issue with the that it needs a new one of them, as that's not good. Yeah. won't be not been too long with it. It's got no bag in it because it's got the wrong pipe. But there you go. So that's both 1354As all done and dusted. This one's going to Hoover Lux. Mine is over there looking absolutely fresh and nice and clean. And as I say, absolutely hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. I want to thank all the YouTubers that have helped me out with all the cleaning skills and all the info to get them taken apart. And without you lot, I wouldn't have known. I want to say a huge thank you to Hoover Lux, because he's mainly the one that I've been learning from to take them apart and clean them and that. As I say, Pneumatic Vacuum, another YouTuber that learnt me how to do the bulb change. So again, thank you very much. And any other YouTubers that I've watched as well with these vacuum cleaners. So I'd like to say a huge thank you on all of you. But yeah, so there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.